to Brilliant. I'm David, and you're?
Chris Calver from VEX Robotics.
Chris Calver from VEX Robotics. Thanks for joining us today. Can you tell us what you're doing at Brilliant today?
Yeah, so we are an edtech supplier. We're an educational robotics supplier, and there's been events all around the country. Everyone will know of BET and how important BET is for the edtech community. And when we were approached by Brilliant about this event to do something in the Northwest, we're a Warrington-based company, so to have something on our doorstep like this, promoting edtech, is an absolutely amazing thing. So it was a no-brainer for us to be here.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Can you tell us more about what your company offers?
So we do educational robotics from primary school all the way through to university level. Our company just focuses on education. We don't do anything outside of the sort of education sphere. And we not only make physical hardware, so robotics products for use in schools, but we make curriculum materials to make teaching with those easy. We do teacher training, and a large part of what we do is competitive robotics. So using robotics as a driver for teaching STEM subjects in schools.
Right. So over the years, what would you say has been some sort of positive impact that you've witnessed in the different age groups that you've provided these services to?
So we've been doing competitive robotics in the UK for a long time now, long enough so that we've seen students from primary level who are now in the world of work, and alumni from our competition come back and still support our UK National Championships event. And these are people who are working in industries like medical robotics. We have engineers at places like Dyson. We have people in automotive engineering. And you can see that the interest for those students was sparked by doing competitive robotics. And it's wonderful to see that go full cycle, them to go into the world of work, but also they want to give back to the community that gave them the interest in STEM and come and support and judge and mentor robotics competitions.
That's very wonderful. I think it's very important for you to inspire kids right from a very young age. And the fact that they took that from a young age and developed with it, and now they're bringing it back to the community. What would you say is a future that you can see from the point of view of educational technology?
I think one of the key things for us is we still want greater gender equality in STEM subjects. We're seeing massive improvements. Since we started doing competitive robotics, we're seeing massive improvements. Our competition programs at the younger age groups, so upper key stage 2 and in key stage 3, we are seeing gender equality, even numbers of boys and girls participating, slightly still skewed towards boys in the older age groups. And so what we want to do is make sure that girls understand that these STEM subjects are for them. It is a safe space for them to compete. Some of the best competitive robotics teams in the UK are girls-only teams, and we want that to flow through into employment, so that this current imbalance that we have is leveled, and I think we can start that in primary schools.
That's wonderful. That's one. Can you tell us where your stand is at Brilliant Festival?
We're stand C9, so we're just inside the front doors as soon as you come into the hall.
Wonderful. Thanks for coming over, Chris. Right. Thank you. Yep.